Hi, I'm Danielle O'Connell, the Dean of Admissions at Becker College. I hope that you're staying healthy and well. Thank you for your support, for your collaboration, for your continued communication and transparency in working with your students as they come to us. We really appreciate, as we know firsthand too, the types of barriers, obstacles, and challenges that you all are facing at the high schools and at the community colleges and in the world that is right now with COVID-19. So thank you for your continued partnership and collaboration as we work collectively with our students to set them up for success. I wanted to let you know, as you're continuing to share information about Becker, some opportunities that we have for you and your students to visit with us and for your students to earn money by doing so. We offer what we call a visit grant to students who attend a qualifying Becker visit event, and that's $1,000 that we give to them annually. And they'll see that on their financial aid award package when they attend a qualifying event, when they apply, get accepted, and then deposit to come to Becker College. A qualifying event can be an on-campus tour. It can be a virtual guided tour with one of our amazing current student tour guides. And it can be one of our premier events that are available and listed on our website, such as an open house, an accepted students day, or more. Speaking of a great lineup of events, we also have some great workshops coming up for you and your students. These workshops are around financial aid and financing a college education, filing a FAFSA, going through the admissions process, or learning from our current or recent alumni about what it means to become a Becker College student and become part of Hawk Nation. Our events are all listed on the website at becker.edu/campus visits, and we're going to put it in the description here on this video as well. Our next two events are coming up on Monday, December 7th, as well as Tuesday, December 8th. You can register for them online, and those are at 3 p.m. via Zoom. On Monday, December 7th, we're talking about financing your education and how to fill out your FAFSA. And on Tuesday, December 8th, one of our recent alums will talk about how she made Becker her home away from home. We invite you and your students to attend both and to keep checking the website for other opportunities. Please subscribe to Becker College News on YouTube for more information and access to videos. And let us know if you have any questions at all. You can always reach us at admissions@becker.edu. Again, thank you so much for all the work you're doing with the students as they're looking to come to us. We love having them on our campus and having them participate in our visits, and we look forward to meeting you all virtually soon. Have a great day, stay well, and go Hawks.